In this video, we are going to cover tr command, which is also known as translate command. So basically, the use case of this command is just to copy, paste, and replace the text which are currently present. Okay, so we are going to see what are the sort of operation that you can make use with the tr command. Okay, let's get started with the video itself. So yeah, let me do a little bit of zoom and hope the screen is visible to you. Okay, let me switch back to the super user by pressing sudo su, and I have created a file named file. So when I read the file by using the cat command, you can see, so this is the text that I have already entered over it. Okay, let me clear the screen and let me show you the file once again. Okay, let us say that you want to convert this entire stuff into uppercase. By uppercase I mean capital letters. It can be done by using the pipe command. And what is the use case of pipe command? The output of cat file, that is this particular text, will be acting as an input to the next command. Okay, here I will be introducing you to the tr command, and what I want to do is I want to convert the lowercase alphabets to the uppercase alphabets. That would be A to Z. Okay, and how it is working, let me show you. So this is the range that we have specified from lower A to lower Z. You have to convert and replace them to caps A to caps Z. Okay, so all the text which is written over here will be converted to the uppercase. Okay, when you press enter, you can see everything which was written over here is converted into uppercase. Now what if I want to do the reverse of this, and what would that be? I want to convert all the capital letters to lowercase. So I'll do something like this. Okay, so find object and replace object. Okay, tr, the operation that needs to be done on the particular thing, and what needs to be done will be entered afterwards. Okay, so this was the previous output. Okay, so here there are few lowercase alphabets. Okay, I want to convert all the entire things which is written over there, that is which include this capital th and this capital id, to be converted into lowercase. So I'll be using this command. When I press enter, everything is converted to lowercase. Okay, sorted. Okay, let me clear the screen. I'll read the file once again to show you the text once again. Okay, now the next thing is I want to replace this square bracket with curly braces. Can it be done? Yes, it can be. So tr command, and what I want to do is I want to replace the square brackets by curly braces. When I press enter, this has been replaced. Okay, all right, next command. Let's say you want to delete the numbers which are already present. What is the command that you will be using? I'll be using tr -d to delete. And what is the thing that you want to delete? I want to delete the digits, that is number. So I'll type digit. When I press enter, the number is deleted. Okay, next type of text formatting would be the digit. I want to replace it with a particular number, because since it is an id, I don't want the user to say it, right? So I want to replace it with x to hide it. The digit has been hidden. Okay, so this is nothing but just to replace a particular stuff. This is known as translation of things. Okay, so I hope this video was clear to you. If you want to learn more about this thing, you can definitely go for internet and search entire thing. There is a good website that I want you to introduce, that is GFG, that is Geek for Geeks, for tr command. Okay, you can refer this website. So they have a good documentation, and you can go over there to learn more about the tr commands. Okay, so they have defined all the things why tr command is used, and they have given the set of examples as well, so you can follow along with that. Okay, next thing is, let me clear the screen. If you don't want to go to Gift for Geeks, you can definitely try the manual page. And what would that be? So man space tr, enter, you will get the entire information about it. Okay, so hope you got today's video, and see you in the next one. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.